In order to clean professionally, cleaning companies must understand the basics of cleaning chemistry. It is critical to choose the right cleaner for the type of soil being removed and the surface being cleaned. Without this knowledge, you or your employees risk damaging client property. In Part 1, we will cover the role of cleaning and cleaners. Why is it necessary to clean? There are many important reasons for cleaning, such as preventing the spread of disease and making our environment a safe and healthy place to live. That being said, there are 8 primary reasons to clean. 1. We clean and disinfect for health. In order to stop the spread of disease, we must kill or reduce bacteria and viruses. 2. We clean and disinfect for functionality. There are some tasks we cannot perform without cleaning first. 3. We clean and disinfect for safety. We clean to prevent surfaces from becoming slippery and dangerous. 4. We clean and disinfect for economics. Dirty surfaces wear out faster, causing them to be replaced sooner than they need be. 5. We clean and disinfect for product quality. Cleaning and sanitizing helps to maintain a product's quality, such as an electronic circuit board. 6. We clean and disinfect because of government agency requirements. For example, the USDA requires cleaning at regular intervals in food processing locations. 7. We clean and disinfect for pride. Keeping areas and surfaces clean will increase value and also will increase worker productivity. 8. We clean and disinfect for comfort. Life is better when things are clean. What is soil? A simple definition of soil is physical matter out of place. What distinguishes soil from other physical matter is that it exists in a location where it is not wanted. Soils can generally be described as heavy or light, organic or inorganic, or a mixture of both, solid or liquid, syrupy or fluid, soluble or insoluble. Organic soils are typically residue from living things, residue from plants and animals or human matter such as blood, urine, or bacteria. Inorganic soils are primarily composed of dirt and sand. Mineral deposits, planting soil, and dust are all examples of inorganic soil. Many soils are mixtures of both inorganic and organic soils. A simple definition for a cleaner is a chemical solution that helps to remove soil. The type of soil and the surface upon which the soil is deposited will be a major factor in determining the type of chemical cleaner used to remove the soil. There are a variety of cleaners formulated to remove a variety of soils. The type of cleaner you use will be determined by the soils and surfaces you find in the home or office. Types of cleaning solutions. When considering cleaning, it is useful to think in terms of what is actually being accomplished. Consider a hard surface, such as a resilient tile floor with soils such as grease and oils on it. In order to remove soils from a surface using conventional cleaning techniques, 3 successive actions must occur. 1. The soil must be physically separated from the surface being cleaned. 2. The soil must be broken up and suspended in the cleaning solution. 3. The soil must be physically removed, usually from rinsing with water or wiping the surface. The primary types of cleaners used for removing soils are 1. Detergents, 2. Alkaline cleaners, 3. Acid cleaners, 4. Disinfectants, 5. Sanitizers, 6. Bacteria and enzymes, 7. Solvent cleaners. Before talking about each type of cleaning solution, we want to discuss pH. pH is a term describing the degree of alkalinity or acidity of a product. The pH scale ranges from 0 to 14, in which 7 is neutral. The range below 7 represents the acid scale, with a 6.5 rating slightly acidic. The lower the number, the stronger the acid. On the acid scale, a pH of 2 is 10 times more acidic than a pH of 3, and 1,000 times more acidic as a pH of 5. The range above 7 represents the alkaline scale. If a product has a pH of 14, it will be highly alkaline and corrosive. If a product has a pH of 7.5, it is slightly alkaline. The higher the number, the more alkaline the product has. A pH 9 is 10 times more alkaline than a pH 8, and a pH 10 is 100 times more alkaline than a pH 8. The advantages of using neutral pH cleaners are that they tend to be safer for the end user, the surfaces being cleaned, and the environment. That is why you want to use a neutral cleaner when removing routine soils from floors, walls, and other surfaces. The reason you want to use neutral cleaners on resilient tile floors is that you want to remove the soils from the floor without removing the floor finish. This is why you should use a neutral cleaner on all floor surfaces such as wood, stone, vinyl, and ceramic.